Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English Practice Podcast.
Hi, friends. We are very happy you are here today.
Today's topic is very useful. We will practice English for ordering food.
Yes, we will learn polite requests. This is very important in restaurants.
We will listen, we will practice, and we will listen again.
Don't worry if you are a beginner. This lesson is for A1 level.
Before we start, please like this podcast and subscribe. It really helps us.
Okay, take a deep breath. Relax. Let's begin.
First, let's start with one small word. That word is please.
Please makes your English polite.
Listen first. I want water. This is okay, but it is not polite.
Now listen again. Water, please. Good. This sounds polite.
Let's practice together. Say it with me. Water, please.
Good job. Now another one. Rice, please.
Very nice. Remember, food plus please.
Now we learn a very common sentence. Can I have?
Listen first. Can I have a coffee, please?
This is very polite, very natural.
Let's break it. Can I have means please give me.
Listen and repeat slowly. Can I have a coffee, please?
Great. Now another example. Can I have a sandwich, please?
Your turn. Say it again. Can I have a sandwich, please?
You're doing great.
Now, let's listen to a short conversation.
Listen only. Don't speak yet.
Hello, can I help you?
Yes. Can I have a chicken burger, please?
Sure. Anything to drink?
Yes. Water, please.
Okay, thank you.
Now let's listen again and repeat.
Hello, can I help you?
Yes. Can I have a chicken burger, please?
Anything to drink?
Water, please.
Perfect. This is real restaurant English.
Now let's learn another polite phrase. I'd like.
I'd like means I want, but politely.
Listen. I'd like a pizza, please.
Say it with me. I'd like a pizza, please.
Good job. Another one. I'd like some tea, please.
Very nice. You are improving already.
Now let's practice together. I will say the food, you make the sentence.
Food, coffee.
You say, can I have a coffee, please?
Good. Next food, rice.
I'd like rice, please.
Excellent work.
Remember, speak slowly. It's okay to make mistakes.
Great job today, everyone.
Let's review our key phrases.
Number 1, please.
Number 2, can I have?
Number 3, I'd like.
These sentences help you order food politely.
You can use them in restaurants, cafés, or food shops.
Keep practicing. Listen again, speak again.
You are doing amazing. We are proud of you.
Now, a fun question for you.
Tell us in the comments, what food do you like to order first at a restaurant?
Thank you for learning with us.
See you in the next episode. Bye.